Today we are going to be fixing these slimes. They're both putty, but this we just gotta fix. Like, just look at this. Like, it's so, like, I fixed it a little bit before. Like, look how, like, bad it is. We're going to fix it and make it really, really, really good. Okay? Alright, let's get started. So we're going to add actually some slime into it. Some different slimes, because the person who wanted it wanted me to fix this. And I'm adding some of this slime into it to make it actually better. It's gonna become an amazing one. Green slime. The person who wanted actually wanted a different texture. Right now it feels like butter slime, I think. It was actually, I think, a putty. Well, I don't know. Well, that's what the lid said, putty putty. We're doing the yellow banana run right now. I'm gonna add some of this slime into it to make it like a little more stretchy. And we're gonna like this much and then just add it into there. And it's gonna become a really good slime. It's not gonna be rubbly anymore, but it might stay the same texture because can't really change that. But it's gonna change like everything else. Let's do some ASMR with this. We might add some more like of this one because like it needs more stretch, if you know what I mean. Yeah, we're gonna add this like this much. Just add it into there and then it'll be like a perfect slime. We might add like a little bit of a different slime. We might have a change in color. Let's see what it's like with like perfect. Now let's add some like some of this slime to make it a little bit different texture. It's also a hard slime, accidentally. Hard slime. Just mix it in, mix it in, mix it in, yeah. I'm gonna add some Jelly Boba slime. It's a water slime, actually. How much should I add? Like this much? I'm joking. Probably around like this much, probably. Yeah, around that much. It's probably definitely gonna change the color. If you know me, I like to sing. So if you hear me sing in any of my videos, that's why I'm also in chorus. Yeah, it's definitely gonna change the color from like yellow to like a dirty green color. But that's what this slime does. I mean, this is what purple and yellow look like. It feels weird at first, but it does definitely change the color. Now that's what we're looking for. Let's add some more of the Jelly Boba. We'll probably do some ASMR with this one. And mixy, 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 mixy. And guys, if you haven't yet, subscribe and like the video. Comment down below what ideas you want me to do next. Like fixing slime, ASMR, more vids, more shorts, fun stuff, calming stuff, whatever you want. I can do a lot of slime for ASMR, or I can just do one slime. Whatever you guys really just prefer. And next is going to be the pink slime, which I'm not going to put slime into it. I'm just going to add like toothpaste and like lotion. I got that from Olive Garden. And this one also, probably. And then maybe just a tiny bit of toothpaste. I don't know. But this slime, I think, might be fixed. Let's add some more of the fairy dust slime. This one. It's like this much. Pop it in. It's not really different texture yet, though. So that's the problem. I'm gonna add some, I need a different texture. Guys, comment down below how to get a different texture. I don't really know what to use for the different texture. But whatever you guys say, says goes. So that's really I'm trying to say. Alright, now for the pink one. Time to put this right away. Might be too big for the container. Ah! It is too big for the container. Too big. Alright. Uh-oh. This is a problem. Oh, wait, can't use this. I already have slime in it. No! Okay, this is a big problem because this is someone else's slime. Not mine. What should I do with this? Should I put it in a bag and give it to her? Most likely what I'm gonna do. Okay, guys. I'm gonna pause the video and be right back. Wait, you guys don't have to pause it. I'm gonna pause it. Guys, I am back and I'm gonna put like half of this slime. So stretchy now, huh? It used to just be this much, actually. It used to be even less than this. So she has a lot, wrong cat. She has a lot more slime. Get in there, slime. Don't make me mad. Okay, good. And I just grabbed another one for this one. Here. He's gonna have a lot of slime. She actually has a YouTube channel. If you guys want to go subscribe to her, that would be amazing. Link down in the description below. I'm trying to make this one. It's just gonna be with toothpaste and everything, and this one is actually harder. And yeah, I'm gonna need a lot of lotion, and it smells amazing. It smells like strawberries. Amazing. Add a lot. That I know it seems like a lot, but we need it. I'm getting my hands dirty. Yeah, baby. This better not break on me. Disgusting ASMR time. Most likely gonna dye my hands purple. Ah, no, did not just ruin my table, did I? Most likely I did. Don't mind me just mad about how I almost ruined my table. I might need to add a little bit of slime. Don't tell her. Don't tell her. Please don't tell her I did this. Don't be a snitch. Snitches get stitches. But don't worry, she's never gonna notice, right? I hope. Okay, yeah, this is hard. I need to add more. La 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 la. Better not break on me. I'm gonna go get toothpaste, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back with the toothpaste. toothpaste. You don't need to add a lot at all, or else it is actually gonna melt the slime. So yeah, so if I add too much, it's gonna be sticky and I'm not gonna enjoy it. It actually smells amazing right now. It smells like toothpaste. All right. Oh, this is pretty good. Let's add some more. Please not aiming to melt it. Please not aiming to melt it. No one saw anything about that rip. It actually smells a lot like toothpaste. My room is going to smell like toothpaste now, thanks to the toothpaste. Okay, I'm talking too much. I'm going to shut up now. I'm going to add some lotion now. I think that was too much. But hey, gotta do what I gotta do. Okay, it's freezing cold. Ah, okay, that's cold. Ah, that's cold. That is cold. Some disgusting ASMR. I'm gonna add some more just in case. Alright, this slime might be good. Let's test it on the table and see if it's good. Alright, I'm gonna add some favorite slime just in case. She won't notice, right? I hope not. Alright, this slime is done and it is ready to be packaged and delivered. Let's see if it fits. Hopefully it fits. Yes, it does fit. That is actually an amazing thing. Work. Yes. Alright, these are ready to be packaged and delivered to her on Monday. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and have a great rest of your weekend or day or whatever you prefer. Have a great day, weekend, night, morning. See you later. Bye.